Are you having back pain? Do you have any difficulty in doing your daily activities? Then in this video, I will be teaching you some more exercises and stretches for your back pain and also how to strengthen your core. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Mobby Fitness. This is part 2 of back stretches and exercises. In the previous video, I had given you 5 exercises and stretches which could be easily done at your home or at your office. Today, I will teach you 5 more stretches and exercise. If it is done twice or thrice a day, you will get some relief from your back pain. Let's go to the exercises. Before going to the exercises, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell icon so you would be getting notifications as soon as I upload a video. The first exercise is called the Superman pose. So let's go first into the position. This is the position on your knees and your hand on the ground. Keep your back straight. Slowly lift your right hand with your left leg straight and contract your back. In this position, take 5 deep breaths and come back slowly to the original position. Then lift your left hand with your right leg. We are assuming that we are holding the pose like a Superman. Take deep 5 breaths in this position and come back to the starting position. So you have to do total 5 reps on each side. Once you hit the Superman pose, you have to take breaths lasting for 5 seconds. Let's go to the second exercise. It's called a prayer stretch. We are on our knees. We go to a position like we are praying. Once I do the pose, I'll be explaining to you after the pose. So we are on our knees. We go to the prayer position. Once you go to the prayer position, you slowly take your hands forward, and in that position, we must take 10 to 15 deep breaths lasting for at least 30 seconds and come back to the original position. So this is the position for prayer stretch where you take at least 10 to 15 breaths. Repeat it for at least 5 times. The third exercise is my favorite. It's called the Cobra pose. The starting position is you lie prone on your body. You assume a position that you are watching a TV and you put your hips downwards to the ground and take 5 deep breaths. So this is a mild variation of Cobra pose. If this is very easy for you, we'll go to the moderate version of the Cobra pose, where in this position you keep your palm over the floor and raise your elbow joint and stretch your back. In this position, you have to take at least 5 deep breaths for total of 5 repetitions. If this is also easy for you, we'll go to the complete version of the Cobra pose, where you come back to the starting position and bring your palms where your elbow joint is kept. So you bring your palms where your elbow joint is kept and then stretch your back. And in this position, you take 5 breaths for total of 5 repetitions. The fourth exercise is called Spider-Man with thoracic rotation. For this, first you take a normal push-up position where your back is straight. Then you bring your left leg forward towards your hand. So in this position, you will feel a stretch over your thighs as well as your glutes, and lift your left hand and rotate your thorax. So in this position, you take 1 to 2 breaths, come back to the original position, then bring your right leg front and lift the right hand upwards, rotating your thorax. Then you come back. This you do for total of 5 repetitions on each side, and once you rotate your thorax, you must take at least 1 to 2 breaths. Coming to the final exercise, deep squat with thoracic rotation. Keep your legs a little apart from your shoulder width. Go to a squatting position So this is the squatting position. Your heel should not come off the floor. Hold your right foot and lift your left hand and rotate your thorax. So this is 1, 2, 3. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Hold your left foot and rotate your thorax with your right side. 1 and 3. This is deep squat with thoracic rotation, where you do at least 5 to 10 repetitions on each side. You must first go to the squatting position and then rotate your thorax. That concludes part 2 of exercises and stretches, which will give you relief from your back pain. It will also help you strengthen your core. Do involve these exercises into your daily routine. Pass this information to your friends as well as family. I am signing out, Dr. Mohammed Bilal from Mobby Fitness.